Hello guys, a new mining video for Bitcoin. This one we spoke about a site. This is the homepage of the site. The link will be in the description, also on the first comment of the video. Like you see, after registration with the link in the description and the first comment of the video, you will get this home page. You will get 0.9 every seconds. You see, this is my live earning 128 BTC. Like you see, this is our site. It will give you a free power mining. Also, you can get free hash rate, but by just review in Trustpilot, you give this site 5 star and write a good review. Here there is purchase if you want to purchase balance, but I advise you to use free way to get balance. You can work in this site and make money. It's very simple. When you click purchase here, there is a trick. You can use your earning as payment. Like you see, minimum is this one, 0.3039 BTC. You can pay with your earning. Like you see, I have low balance. It's very simple. If you go to, we return to dashboard, we go to withdraw. Like you see, minimum payout is 0.301 BTC. It's a very low payout. Also, you must put your in the registration, you must put your address Bitcoin. Like you see, for this one, for 09th, we have this table. Like you see, mined Bitcoin overview. Like you see, for daily earning, you will get 0.401 BTC. Like you see, this is your daily earning. Monthly earning is 0.33468 BTC monthly earning. It means every 10 days you can withdraw 0.001 BTC. It's very simple. If we calculate this 0.001 BTC, it will be a huge. You will get some dollars as well. This good benefits in this site. Like I told you, this is our site today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.